Kingston College is represented this evening by Team Captain Jaquan Martin, Eviko Bryan, Nikolai Downer, and William Hibbert. While Marcus Garvey Technical is represented by Team Captain Shamoya Masters, Cameron Bailey, Kada Fraser, and Kiana Cole. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to round one action here in TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get into the action. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Kingston College won and decided to go first. So we begin with Kingston College. This section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock, please. Kingston College Literature. What Shakespearean play features the twins Viola and Sebastian?
12th Night.
That's right, literature from Marcus Garvey. Which Shakespearean play tells the story of two sets of identical twins who were accidentally separated at birth? Kingston College, would you like a chance to try?
A Comedy of Errors.
It's The Comedy of Errors. Judges, Local Affairs, a visual one for you, Kingston College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Dunstan Bryan.
Correct. The Ministry of Health's Permanent Secretary. Local Affairs for Marcus Garvey. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please. Kingston College, would you like a chance?
Jacqueline Bisesa Mackenzie.
Chief Medical Officer is correct. Jamaican Heritage for KC. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Bud can't fly pan.
One wing.
That's right. Jamaican Heritage for Marcus Garvey. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Bird fly too fast. Kingston College.
Him fly past him nest.
That's right. French for KC. What is the French translation of the number 86?
86.
That's right. French for Marcus Garvey. What is the French translation for the number 99? Kingston College.
99.
That's right. Music and Audio 1-4. Kingston College. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer, please.
In a room, I'm invisible. I feel like a ghost.
Carly Rae Jepsen.
No, it's Adele. Music from Marcus Garvey. Listen to the following clip. Identify this singer.
And the next guy is out there.
Fantasia.
That's right. Kingston College Art. Which Jamaican artist painted Birthday Drive, which is housed at the National Gallery of Jamaica?
Albert Huey.
No, it's Carl Abrams. Art from Marcus Garvey. Which Jamaican artist painted the work Dying Prophet? Kingston College, would you like to try?
Carl Abrams.
No, it's Albert Huey. KC Theatre and Cinema, a visual one for you. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Christian Bale. Christian Bale.
That's right. Theatre and Cinema for Marcus Garvey. Look at the monitor. Identify this actress, please. Kingston College, would you like to try?
Natalie Portman.
That's right. Principles of Business for KC. What is the name of the workplace communication practice that encourages employees to freely discuss any job-related issues with their managers?
Laissez-faire.
No, it's an open-door policy. Principles of Business for Marcus Garvey. What is the name of an asset or property that a borrower offers to a lender as security for a loan? Kingston College, would you like to try?
Collateral.
Is correct. Sport of Visual 1, and that is the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match. Kingston College ahead on 10 points. Marcus Garvey on the board with 1 point. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge Schools Challenge Quiz. 56 returns right after these messages.